When you look in the mirror every morning, you see another little line. Your skin is a touch more saggy and doesn't bounce back as quickly as it used to. You might think it's just getting older, but something else is going on. Your body stops manufacturing as much collagen after you become 30. When you become older, it runs out of gas. It's like your skin's glue gun running out of glue sticks all of a sudden. Things aren't moving as slowly as they used to. But here's the good news. The plant isn't dead. It's simply sleeping. You can also bring it back to life. I'm not talking about creams that cost $200, needles that hurt, or drugs that don't work very well. I'm talking about meals that your body can break down and use to make new collagen. You might not know about some of these dishes. One of them tastes like dessert but works like a full-body skin treatment from the inside out. One more. You drink it before bed, and while you sleep, it gently heals your skin. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which 5 powerful foods may naturally smooth out wrinkles, bring back your glow, and make you feel years younger without spending a lot of money. Hey there, friend. This blog has easy, doable tips for boosting your health and vitality that you'll appreciate. By subscribing, you may become a part of our growing group of people who care about their health. Let's work together to make your health a goal. Start with your doctor might not tell you this, but collagen does more than just make your skin smooth. It keeps your joints loose, your hair thick, your nails strong, and yes, it lifts and tightens your face. What's the issue? As we become older, collagen doesn't simply fade away slowly, it goes away swiftly. We have lost more than half of what made us look and feel young by the time we become 60. This is why your cheeks feel softer, your skin wrinkles more quickly, and even your knees could pain when you get up from a chair. This is why you've seen these changes and what you can do to fix them. The good news is that your body can still make collagen. It just needs the right parts to do it. Many of us unknowingly starve it by drinking coffee and eating pastries, or by taking some medicines that break down collagen faster than we can make it again. What good news! The foods I'm about to show you are full of natural compounds that your body knows how to use. No foods that are hard to digest or supplements that cost a lot. You will be giving your skin and joints what they need to heal, just like adding extra support to the beams of your house before the walls start to sag. Let's talk about one of my favorite things, a tasty, cool treat that tastes like dessert, yet makes your skin tighter from the inside out. Berry Collagen Booster, a sweet, cool snack. What if you could eat your favorite berries and they would secretly make your wrinkles less noticeable? Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are just a few examples of these little, juicy treats that are packed of flavor and vitamin C. That vitamin C is particularly crucial for producing collagen. These berries are the basic materials your collagen manufacturer needs to get going. Every morning, I add a handful to my yogurt or smoothie. It gives my skin and joints a little lift, and you can see that shine from the inside out. Here's a tip: eat them with nut butter or yogurt to help your body get all the berry magic. Drink for repair at night elixir. That helps collagen. Drink this easy drink before bed to make your skin firmer and your joints stronger while you sleep. Foods like Greek yogurt, kefir, or warm bone broth that are high in protein provide your body the building blocks it needs while you sleep. Picture your skin and joints as a building site at night. Without raw resources, the laborers can't build anything. This potion offers them everything they need to mend things and make them new. This simple ritual you do before bed could make your skin and joints feel smoother and lighter when you wake up. This is a gentle way to give your body what it needs. After years of losing collagen, I've just been drinking this for a week, but I've noticed that my skin seems softer in the morning, like it was reset while I slept. You may make it taste better by adding some cinnamon or chocolate. It will feel like a nice treat. The secret 3 foods that give you energy every day. You consume these virtually every day without understanding that they can be keeping your skin tight and your joints pleased. 1. Leafy greens such as kale, spinach, and Swiss chard. A few in a salad or smoothie might help maintain your collagen healthy and perhaps slow down fine lines in a few weeks. 2 eggs. The yolks have sulfur and zinc in them, which are 2 things that most people forget their bodies need. Your body can mend collagen with just 1 scramble. 3. Citrus fruits and bell peppers are bright, flavorful, and full with vitamin C. An orange has less vitamin C than a bell pepper. It will make your food taste better and improve your collagen at the same time. You can eat these 3 meals every day to protect your collagen. They're easy to find, not too expensive, and work extremely well. And these 3 are only the beginning. By blending the berries and night elixir, you're giving your collagen everything it needs to heal. Snacks that help your body make collagen. These snacks taste good and slowly rebuild your collagen as you eat them. Snacks are like small helpers for your hair, skin, nails, and joints. You may give your collagen production the nutrients it needs by eating a few tiny things, like a handful of almonds, a teaspoon of pumpkin seeds, or a few pieces of dark chocolate. I started eating a handful of almonds in the middle of the morning, and my skin has never felt better. They are like little bursts of collagen fuel that are crunchy, creamy, and sweet. Little tip to help your body get the most out of the magic: eat them with a fruit high in vitamin C, such as berries or kiwi. You don't even know it, yet your skin, nails, and joints are getting the building blocks they need. Things that can make your life better, such sleep, stress, and exercise. Foods high in collagen won't help if you don't get enough sleep or are always stressed. Food is only one part of the story. The way you live might aid or hurt collagen recovery. While you sleep, your body repairs itself, and your skin and tissues. Are you stressed? The sneaky saboteur breaks down collagen quicker than your body can fix it. Like circulation, movement helps nutrients get to every joint, nail, and hair follicle. I could see that my mom's skin looked tighter after she made these small modifications. Her skin, nails, and joints all felt better when she made sure to get 7 to 8 hours of sleep, take short walks every day, and take breaks from stress. Mini tip: every little victory matters. For instance, you may take a 10-minute pause to stretch, have a peaceful bedtime routine, or go for a short walk in the evening. These small actions help collagen and overall health without being too obvious. To wrap things up and give you some more advice before we finish, here are 2 things that most people don't know about collagen. Here's the bonus. Now that you've seen the foods, snacks, and improvements to your life, first, drink plenty of water. Water helps your body obtain the resources it needs to build collagen. Second, stay away from pollution and UV radiation that might harm your skin. They still tear down collagen without you noticing, even if you eat well. In just a few weeks, you'll notice that your skin is smoother, your nails are stronger, and your joints move more smoothly if you do these things every day. I began this routine on my own, and when I saw that it worked, my friends wanted to know what I was doing. It's crucial to be consistent, and small, mindful actions can make a significant difference. Adding these extra ideas to your berries, night elixir, secret 3 foods, and snacks can help your collagen from the inside out.